I would like to show you how I made this plantain frittata because it's a request from one of my followers. So watch closely and see how I prepared it. Get one ripe plantain, wash and peel the back and slice to any shape of your choice. Crack your egg into a bowl. I am using 4 eggs for this purpose. I season the egg with curry powder, a little bit of it, salt, then thyme and grinded scotch bonnet pepper. Mix them together like this. Make sure you mix them properly. Set this aside and let's fry the plantain. Heat your oil up and your vegetable oil and fry the plantain till it turns golden brown. Once it has turned golden brown like this, then remove from the oil. Then set it aside. Grease your pan like this with little oil. Then pour in your whisked egg. Then place your plantain one inside the egg. Make sure at this point your gas or your fire is still off. It's not yet time to on it. Then bring your veggies. This is red bell pepper and yellow bell pepper. You can make use of carrots or any vegetable of your choice. So this is what is at my reach for the moment. So I'm using the both for this video. While doing this, make sure that your heat is off, your fire is off. Then after placing the veggies, you cover it then and on the gas. And your gas should be this low. And secondly, use small pan when you're not using too much egg. Use small pan so that your plantain frittata will not scatter. Yes, it's ready now. This is after like 6 to 7 minutes. So can't you see it? Very neat, properly done. This is it. Children love this recipe a lot. Like my children, they call it pizza, and it's healthy for them. It's more healthy than the normal pizza. So try this. If you have not done it before, try it for your kids and they will love it. This is it. It's cooked from top to bottom. See the back. Thank you for watching and make sure you try it.